you need to work on it rigorously to reach that goal, and you must have hunger towards that goal. And how many of you have that hunger? Financial Freedom 2026 December, and within 1 year, if you need to achieve, you must invest heavily on yourself and heavily on your skills, heavily on your whatever you have related to the knowledge. Okay, if you can't, again, it's going to delay. So the best thing here is you don't get any losses. Usually, if you start any kind of a business, what will happen? If you invest on a business some 10 lakh or 20 lakh, if it is not running, what will happen? You will make losses. And if you want to quit that, so you need to sell that business for 5 lakh or a 10 lakh. That means half of the price, and then you have to leave. And majority times you will not receive at least half of that. Okay. But when you invest on yourself, if it is delayed, your results are delayed. But you are not going to make any kind of a losses here. But there is an opportunity cost for the late. Example, you started making 1 lakh per month from August 2026, let's assume. If your success is delayed by 6 months, how much amount you lost? 6 lakhs. So, I'm going to explain that concepts also. So, I'm going to solve some of your basic problems so that you can work on it from the next 1 year, from January onwards or even December, and you can achieve that financial freedom faster. Okay. So the intention is to give you the financial freedom by 26 December, and regarding that there are some concepts I'm going to explain you in detail of that. Okay. To go higher, we need to dig deeper. Example, మీరు ఒక 10-story బిల్డింగ్ కట్టాలంటే ఎంత బేస్మెంట్ తీయాలి? 10-story రిలేటెడ్ చాలా డీప్గా డిగ్ చేయాలి. అదే జస్ట్ ఒక 1 బిల్డింగ్ కట్టాలంటే అంత లాంగ్ అవసరమా? లేదు. The same way here also, if your goals are very higher, okay, you should dig more deeper for the basement or construction related. Okay, if you don't dig deeper, what will happen? You can construct, but it will collapse. Even I will give you the examples also. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you have a bigger goals. When you don't have any goals, you don't need to worry at all. Time will take care, governments will take care, and everyone will try to control you. Okay, but when you have goals, that too big goals, you must be very careful while building it. Without a proper basement, if you started building, and you can build, but you will be in a trouble later with more cost, more time waste, and more damages. Okay, so now we are going to dig deeper into everything so that you can be happy and you can be financially free soon. Okay, and my goal is to select at least 10 people from all of you and make you reach 2026 December goal.